In this video, I'm going to show you how to attribute a page or a post to an author in your WordPress site. So if you, as the site admin, are creating posts, say with just a title and a short paragraph describing what you want the author to create, that post will automatically be created by you and attributed to you as the person who created it. But you might not want that. You might want to have the author attributed to that post. To do that, all you have to do is make sure the author exists on your site. If you go to your users list, I've got my new author here named Sam. So I'm going to pretend that this is the person I want creating the post, but I created the beginning of it, the title and the paragraph, so they understand what I want. So I'm going to go in and update a post to now belong to Sam. And if you want to know how to create an author like Sam here, I've got a different video. I'll link to that in the card above and the description down below, so you can check out that video if you want to know how to create new authors on your website. So we want to go to posts to attribute a post to Sam. And this is a new test post here. If I click on quick edit, I can choose the author right here. And it's going to have a drop-down list of all the users on the site that have author capabilities. So subscriber would not be on here. Contributor, I don't think would be on here. But you could have authors and editors and admins be added as authors. So we're going to choose Sam and update. And now this post belongs to Sam. There's no record of having it belong to me in the past. And of course, you can change it to somebody else anytime you want. You can also click on edit to go into the main post. So as you're creating this, you could have a title here and a quick paragraph of what you want the post to be about. And then before you even save it as a draft, on the right-hand side, if you're under post, you can choose the author right here and choose them from this list, in this case, Sam, and then just click on save or save draft or whatever the button is to save draft, and then it'll be created in Sam's name instantly. And it'll show up for them when they log into this WordPress site with their username and password. For pages, it's a little bit different. Pages usually don't show the author on the front end, so assigning to a specific person usually doesn't matter unless they can't see it in the back end of WordPress and you need them to see it in order to edit it. So to change the author, which you see there is a column for it, but it doesn't really show up on the front end. It does in the source code, but not on the front of a post, for example. Under quick edit, there's no option to change author for pages. You have to click on edit to open each page, click on page to go to the page tab, go to author right here, and then choose the author from this drop down, and then click on save. And now that post will be saved to that specific author. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to delete authors in the future if you want to do that, and then attribute all the posts that they created to yourself or to a different author on your site. It's an important video if you have an active blog, so make sure you check that out, and I'll see you there.